Hi, very good evening students. Welcome to video classes. I hope you all are fine. Right? All of you stay home, stay safe, learn well. Okay. So today in this class I am going to teach you about matter. Okay. So then what is matter? Everything. Okay, everything around us is matter, including humans, animals, plants, cars, buildings, bicycles, furnitures, books, pens, pencils, colors, and food are all examples of matter. Okay, so then what is matter? Okay, so now let us learn about matter. Okay, matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Okay. For example, all of you see here, this is pencil, right? Okay. So this is object. Okay. So this object occupies here space, right? Okay. And it has some mass. Okay. So mass means it is a quantity of the object. It has some quantity. Okay. So matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Okay. Students, next we are going to know about molecules. Okay. So now what is matter? We know, right? Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Okay. Everything around us is a matter. Okay. This matter is composed of tiny particles called molecules. Okay, so for example, this is one particle. Okay, so this matter is composed of tiny particles. Okay, so there will be so many tiny particles. Okay, like this. So these tiny particles are called molecules. Okay, so these molecules arrange themselves in different ways to form different states of matter. Okay. So the matter exists in nature in different forms called states of matter. Okay. So now let us look at the what are the different states of matter. Okay. There are mainly three states of matter. Okay. Matter exists in nature as solids, liquids, and gases. These are the three basic states of matter. Okay. So there are three states of matter: solids, liquids, and gases. Okay. Students, next we are going to know about solids. Okay. So molecules we know, right? Okay. So matter is composed of tiny particles called molecules. Okay. So these molecules in a solid are very tightly packed. Okay. So here molecules are packed tightly. Okay. And there is no space between the molecules to move around. Okay, in solids there is no space, okay, between the molecules to move around. Therefore a given solid will always have a fixed shape and size. Okay, and the solids have a definite volume also. Okay, volume means here the amount of space that a substance occupies. Okay, so they always occupy the same amount of space. Okay, example for solids are wood, cloth, plastic, and paper are some examples for solids. Okay, so students, all of you see here, this is cap, right? Pen cap. This is made up of plastic. Okay, so plastic. Okay, so this is solid, right? Okay, so this cap has fixed shape, right? And it has some volume also. Okay, so it occupies some space also. Okay, and Here what happens, there is not enough space for the molecules to move around. Okay, so because of this solid substance cannot flow also, right? So students, all of you see here, this is one molecule, right? Okay, so in solids what happen, molecules are very tightly arranged. Okay, so all of you see here like this, molecules in a solid are very tightly packed. Okay, see here all of you like this. Okay, here there is no space between two molecules, right, to move around. Okay, so this is all about solids.